Welcome to Ella, Sri Lanka, where lush greenery meets crisp mountain air. Today I'm taking you on a journey through the famous Uva Halpewatte tea factory, a place where tradition, craftsmanship, and nature come together to create some of the finest tea in the world. After a scenic drive through the hills, we arrived at Uva. Nestled amidst endless rows of tea bushes, this factory is not just a hub for tea production, but a doorway into Sri Lanka's rich tea heritage.
At that time, they felt some pleasant taste in their mouth and instructed, "What is this special flavor?"
Here at 4,000 feet in Sri Lanka is the ideal altitude for tea growing. The journey begins in the tea fields, where skilled tea pluckers were hard at work. Now, this is actually us. Basically, it's like, hey, you're tourists, come pick tea, ha ha ha. But each of these leaves is hand-picked with care, a tradition that has remained unchanged for generations. Even our tour guide said that he had picked it before. So this is where the proverbial magic happens. Once the tea leaves are brought in, they go through several stages: withering, rolling, fermenting, drying, and then sorting. Watching the tea leaves transform from fresh greens to aromatic tea was absolutely fascinating. Each step here combines science and art, ensuring that each cup is perfect. Of course, no factory tour is complete without sampling the goods at the end, whether it's cocaine or tea. This happened to be tea. So here at Uva Halpewatte, they offer a range of teas, each with its unique flavor profile. And we got to, do the pretentious mouth swishing, oh, notes of lavender blue. And that was all in good fun. Now, the tea factory is more than just a tour. It's an experience that connected me to Sri Lanka's tea heritage. And that part is no joke. I recommend this if you go to Sri Lanka. You don't have to do this place, but go check out a tea plantation. Enjoy!